ओम
चॉकलेट मिल से
ओम
चॉकलेट मिल से
ओम ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सर्वे भी सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम तत्सत्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गायै धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गायै धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गायै धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गायै धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गायै धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्री भगवती जय दुर्गाय नमः। उत्तिष्ठ पुरीशिखि स्वपेशि भयं सम्पस्थितं यदि शक्यम् अशक्यं हुं दुर्गे भगवती समय स्वाहा। अम्बे अम्बिके अम्बालिके नमामि कश्चन सस्वस्थः स्वगः सुभद्रिकं कम्बल्यावासिनीं। ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्री भगवती जय दुर्गाय नमः। ओम उत्तिष्ठ पुरीशिखि स्वपेशि भयं सम्पस्थितं यदि शक्यम् अशक्यं हुं दुर्गे भगवती समय स्वाहा। ओम अम्बे अम्बिके अम्बालिके नमामि कश्चन सस्वस्थः स्वगः सुभद्रिकं कम्बल्यावासिनीं। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मोक्षमामृतात्। 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 हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Namaste to all of you, Pranam. Now we are going through a very big problem. First, corona is there all over the world. Second, we have a new boundary dispute with China. It is very much unfortunate. Our soldiers are getting killed. Chinese government should be peace loving. India is always peace loving. There is no use in a dispute nowadays. It will simply destroy life and property both sides. it will create a horror already to the already horrified world. So that is no use. Indian government also should not be creating enmity to Chinese. China as a nation. Both sides should be peaceful. It is very much unfortunate. Second, Sushant Singh Rajput. Death of Sushant Singh Rajput, like a personal loss to all of us. He was young. He was having an inspiring life, a big hope. That is also a tragedy. Corona is already there. Loss of job is there. So we are all in a kind of turmoil. Now, amidst this, I want to make a video. There are two things. First thing, many people opine that the art should be displayed, disclosed, demonstrated to the large number of people, to as many people as possible. On the other side, भगवान कृष्णा ने बोले, भगवान शंकर ने बोले, स्त्री स्वभाव महादेवी पुनस्त परिपृच्छसि गोपनीयम 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 प्रजत्रत means this Brahma Vidya is very much secret. That should be done secret. It should not be demonstrated, displayed everywhere to every people. First you have to find out whether the person desiring to learn is willing or is having a good intention or not. Suppose the person will not learn it properly or he will not use it properly, then it is an insult to the Brahma Vidya. So yoga is a Brahma Vidya. But something new, something very much relevant, something that cannot be conveyed easily, cannot reach people, many people, and there is a chance that if it reaches many people, then it is beneficial. So those type of art must be conveyed to the people. So see, there should be a boundary between what to be kept secret and what to be demonstrated. Through meditation, if you go through deep meditation, then you get clarification on this point, whether something should be displayed, something should be conveyed, to be given in a message on a Facebook or social science or not, social site or not. Another thing, last time I was injured. Injured means while doing Dvipada Sirasana, you know, Dvipada Sirasana is a posture that we have to raise our leg on our head like this. Slowly I take my leg onto my head. So right leg, because I have got fat now, more fat, these muscles became inelastic. For that reason, the thigh muscles, taking the thigh to the neck, became very difficult, and this muscle got pressurized on my rib cage. So one of the bones may be that lost the balance and just got out of its clip where it was supposed to be fitted. From that it just got away. By that I got a lot of pain. I took some painless tablets. Now it is 50% relief, still I am going through pain. Now the question is, as a teacher, how I got a suffering? Why did I suffer? Really, these are all new experiences. To do a asana, a posture like Dvipadasirasana, you should be more careful. You should be very much light. Your these waist muscles and thigh muscles should be very much light. If with carelessly you are doing something, then I thought that my rib cage is broken, my whole career is gone. But I was lucky. It was nothing like that. It was some injury. Now I am fine. So you should be careful and you should learn it properly. Otherwise, in the childhood, it is easy to do. But when you are grown up, you should know that whether you are going to get injured or not. Another thing, while doing this Utthita Padmasana, somebody told that your wrist may just get out of its care. It may turn like this. You may lose balance on your wrist, and this joint may get injury. So these are there in yoga. Wherever when you are getting some sound of bones, then you must know that is a loose point, that is a weak point of your body, and you should be careful in just pressurizing those points in yoga or postures. Now another thing about yoga, or maybe it is yoga or some science, spiritual science. There is a dispute. Somebody says that Shankaracharya was good, has known Brahma, Bhagavan. He was himself a god, Shankaracharya. Somebody says that Sant Kabir was a good thing. So whatever it is, now the time is not for a controversy. Now the time is, you should follow a method. You should concentrate on that. You should follow a method. You should concentrate on that. And thereby you should develop something. You should put all your efforts into some spiritual art. Definitely, whatever is being told in India are nothing wrong. Sant Kabir, whatever he told, it is also right. Shankaracharya, Adi Shankaracharya, whatever he told, it is also right. So there is no difference of opinion. Whether we are sincere or not, whether we are following some method with utmost sincerity or not, that is a question mark. So let's try to remove all kind of differences. Now we are into yoga. We should give more concentration and we should try to develop that art as much as possible, rather putting our mind into different type of controversies. Because always I am giving one sloka in Bhagavad Gita, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyuthana adharmasya tadatmanam srujamyaham paritranaya sadhuna vinasaya chaduskrutam dharma संस्थापनार्थाय संभवानि योगे युगे. तो भगवान वेंकटेश्वर जो विष्णु बोलते हैं, ओम नारायण विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्, गोपाल भगवान जिसको बोलते हैं, राम भगवान भी बोलते हैं, तो उनको हम मन लगा के प्रेयर करेंगे. कभी भी ये जो संकट है, दैट शुड बी रिमूव्ड, पीपल शुड बी वेल, द disease must not be there. Some Satya Prakash Jain or something, Delhi government minister, he is also suffering from corona. We wish all the best. May God bless him People should not be suffering from corona. Another thing, we are what is the value of a lemon? Before going to the demonstration, I must say what is the benefit of you taking lemon every day. Lemon or the orange juices, they absorb calcium in other food. Particularly, they use your calcium content and they make your bones strong, and they remove the acidity, oil type of whatever there in your intestine, they remove it. They make clean. They make your skin brighter. So always skin is very much useful. Like that. Another, there is a chance I saw one lady was doing Sirsasana. So while doing Sirsasana, she could not get hold of her balance. She was forced to come down and her leg was injured. So such type of things, injury is there in yoga, but you must be more careful about it. Joint injury, all these things, injuries are there. Another Chakrasana. Chakrasana, I got a lot of suffering also while doing Kamani. My backbone, this west portion was injurious, whatever it is. But anyhow, I managed the things, and I wish those people who are following this yoga or just trying to make a good career or to make a good advance into yoga, they should be careful and learn things better, and they must understand what to learn and what not to learn. Differentiate between good and bad things, and all the best. Let's do some postures. First, to cure my this chest problem, I followed this Bhastrika Pranayam mostly. I did Bhastrika Pranayam for 30 minutes like this, because air is also a good doctor. It can help you relieve the pain. So I am doing Bhastrika first. 21 times breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, hold, breathe out through left, slow, long and complete breath out. Hold. Right closely. Breathe in, breathe out 21 times through left. Breathe in, hold, chant in it mantra. Om Triambakam Jajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandanat Mrityurmokshamamrutat. Left is closed, breathe out through right, slow, long and complete breath out. Hold. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out both the sides. Hold. Slow, long and complete breath out. Friends, today I do Ekapada Sirasana on left side. Slowly I am taking the leg to my head. Om, Om, Om. Once, while doing yoga, I used a phrase, a faint heart never won a fair lady. So naturally, aged people are unable to do what young generation can do. Children can do many big things, very difficult things, but those people who are grown up, those are old. They may not be able to do all the things those children are doing. So many people raised their eyebrows that why this man is telling like this, a faint heart never won a fair lady. Is he able to do more things? So such type of controversy are irrelevant or unnecessary. You see, now I was able to do something, but when I got injured, I am unable to do something. People, our body is not permanent. One day this will go away. So doing something or not doing something is immaterial. What is material is whether you are getting connected with God or not. Because yoga is